Hello everybody, I'm excited to present this beautiful 1973 Honda CL350 Flying Dragon. Yes, a Flying Dragon in original paint. What we've got today is a fully restored motorcycle sporting an original Flying Dragon kit. This is a tank paint that Honda offered as an OEM option back in 1973. It is original. This is not touched up. There's no clear coat. There's no nothing. It is as it left the factory from Honda in Japan. The individual who did the restoration on this motorcycle is one of few people to bring bikes to national AMCA events and win 100 points multiple times with multiple motorcycles. He's an expert. He's the kind of guy that has the eye for the little details and is going to do something to absolute perfection when he is assigned the task. Some telltales of the low mileage on this bike, of course, is the odometer with only 4,400 miles, but not to mention the gauge faces. These are original Honda gauge faces that have no fading. They're beautiful. They're gorgeous. It's clear this motorcycle hasn't spent much time out in the sun, which is a wonderful thing and a shame because this bike looks fantastic outside. I wish I could show you guys in person, each and every one of you, what this looks like here. I don't see these ever. You don't see these ever. These don't exist. It's pretty incredible to be standing next to one, not to mention riding one, and this is an opportunity that maybe once in a lifetime for me. This is a running driving motorcycle. It's ready for the road. I drove it through this spot, and we will show that later today. We'll get it out and run it through its paces.